Respected teachers, parents and all my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. I am Safan, class 5, wish you all happy Independence Day. Today I would like to say something about Independence Day. 15th August is an occasion for us to remember the contributions made by the freedom fighters for the independence of our country and rededicate ourselves to the service of our nation. Today we remember and pay homage to the sacrifices made by the leaders and warriors who fought for the independence of India. They sacrificed their sweat and blood so that we and our future generations may breathe the air of independence free from the yoke of foreign colonial operations. It is a day to pay homage to each and everyone who participated in freedom struggle. We should remember not just the leaders whose name appear in history lessons, but also the common people who participated in freedom struggle at grassroots level to shake the mighty British Empire. Everyone who participated in freedom struggle to one's capacity is a hero or a heroine worthy to be remembered, celebrated and paid homage. At this juncture, let us take a moment to remember the sacrifices made by the doctors, nurses, paramedics and health workers who are putting their lives at risk to give us freedom from the virus that has taken the world on its grip. Many have lost their lives in the line of duty and the nation must recognize their sacrifice in a fitting manner. India's journey since the first unfurling of free color on 15th of August 1947 at the top of Red Fort till that has been a long and glorious journey. Let us take this occasion today to dedicate ourselves to the cause of nation and our people and stand united against all obstacles so that we can materialize that glorious India which we have dreamed of for us and our future generations. Let us turn India into global leader in spreading human values and universal love. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. I would like to say something. मजहब के नाम पर जुल्मो सितम हम नहीं करते, मजहब के नाम पर जुल्मो सितम हम नहीं करते, वफा के आड़ में सियासत हम नहीं करते। जमीन के अंदर भी जाते हैं तो वसूल करके, जमीन के अंदर भी जाते हैं तो वसूल करके, वतन की मिट्टी को नापाक हम नहीं करते।